sure I don't smash anybody over.
Well, we made it. Turns out it's really, really.
Man, we'd never flown in on a hunting trip or traveled with that much luggage. And it was our first time hunting mule deer and hunting in the snow. Even though it was freezing cold, we couldn't wait to get out there and make it happen. We lucked out and we were able to find a Toyota Tacoma with a bed cover to rent, so kept all of our luggage covered from the snow and dry. And whenever we were driving out in the mountains, it acted like a go-kart. We never had a concern on getting stuck or not being able to go to a spot we had in mind.
You look pretty badass, man, I'm not gonna lie. I've been down this road. Alright, head back to the airport. That's fun.
No jet boil, so we're done.
Yep, no jet boil fuel, so we're done.
Well,
we just pulled off kind of in the area we're gonna hunt. We're gonna be hunting off this road. Probably a couple miles up further, but it's really cold. It's like 8 degrees out, feels like 0. Just stopped to get out some binos. That way, if we see something, we're ready to go. Season opened yesterday, so first day here. It's freezing. We're about to. I'm out.
It's so cold.
I know. I just forgot. Oatmeal cream pies, delicious.
Wait, give me some better brandy. Flip that.
We used the Seek Outside Red Cliff teepee for this hunt and couldn't have asked for a better shelter. It kept us warm and dry even though we were camping below negative, and was a great spot to come back to at night after a long day of hunting.
Checking in from the North Pole. We're clicked out a campsite when we had found e-scouting and are shoveling snow out of the way so we can set up our teepee, and we're gonna pull the truck forward so we can block the wind and just basically try not to freeze. So we'll see how this goes. It's gonna be hard to film in these temps because our batteries are just gonna get fried, but we're pumped. With the change in the season dates this year and the snow, we're getting like a third season rifle experience during second rifle, so kind of exciting. All the e-scouting so far has turned out the way we hoped. Our brains are a little frozen, lips are starting to freeze closed. Don't pee right now.
Once our camp was all set up, we decided to spend the last hour or so of daylight scouting and glassing from the road for turning in and getting ready for tomorrow morning's hunt. Bright and early. It's before sunrise right now. First full day. We had a pretty good night's sleep in our tent. We got down to 0 degrees. Felt like 12 according to the weather report. -12, excuse me. Ice all over the inside of the walls, but we did fine. Got the stove going most of the time, and we're gonna get to a spot right now, not sure which one, and go do some glassing. Yeah. See if we can spot some deer.
Looks a little overcast, so we're probably just gonna do some cruising in the truck until we get light. You know, there's no reason to go up high if we're not gonna be able to see. So first day out here actually hunting, basically to be more of a little scouting day, and then we'll get hunting this afternoon once this snow clears a little bit. So we'll
Bring your gloves.
I know they're right up here.
Oh, nice.
I don't know where, you know, they just this Tacoma doesn't have much room, shit just starts falling out everywhere.
No, it's hard to. 1, 2, yeah, there's like 10.
What?
There's like 10 deer over there.
Yes.
We can't.
Oh, we can't.
It's like I see a deer running right now, like that's gotta be a buck. Let's get over there.
Let's get close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
How far can we creep?
I would think a good ways.
How far are we?
Break out your spotter?
Yeah, let's get our spotter out and get a good eye on him and see.
You might want to do that.
Let's do it. While we're in cover, I don't want to get too close and put this deer out first down. Just freezing. Can you see him through here?
You're going to have to relocate him, but very possibly foul it. Good ways. Stop. Let me see if I can relocate him, because now I'm a little thrown off.
Yeah, you should have marked him.
That's got to be a buck.
Let's see.
It's a huge body compared to the rest.
Where are you looking right now? Should I get the spotter?
Yeah. Cool. You got a wide open view too.
What?
Yeah, we got a wide open view too.
What do we got, Paul?
Well, got some light, got a little visibility. Patton got on a couple deer, thinks he sees a buck, so we're gonna pop out this spotter and throw it up. You know, we've been up here a couple times hunting, haven't been able to take anything home, so we're not gonna be too picky here. Got 2 tags, we'll definitely fill one really quick if we can. Bow.
I'm pretty sure there's a buck over there because of the size.
He's pretty sure there's a buck over there.
The size, Look at this. Line up off that rock again. He's still in the bottom, but he's going up. It's 100% a buck. You got him? Oh, you're so high, Paul. Like you're looking over the mountain, dude. You found him in the bottom? Speak, what's you see? He's facing right? Damn. Anything special? Like is he big?
Got 2 little ones and come look. Got him right on him. Come at it.
It's snowy though, you know?
Yeah.
I don't want to get too wet. Pretty fun. We've already, golly, it's beautiful. We've already spotted deer from our first glassing point, and we're still right in the truck, but we can glass from right here.
I'm not gonna be able to see.
Yeah, they got a razor or something.
As we're sitting up here in the spotter.
That's $2 though, dude.
So we go kaplack them and go home?
What are they in, like a little Subaru? Are they hunters?
Yeah, one is an orange, the other was just driving them, it looks like.
That's exciting stuff, and I know there's more deer down there. Find anything else. Looking at vines.
I'm like debating going.
Well,
Let's drive over there and get closer.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why wouldn't we make an attempt to get closer and
Yeah,
see?
no, he's not.
I think there's a lot more other deer over there. Too.
Yeah, and they're like he's not like. We could go find one that's.
Yeah, that's
That's just a
be able to
baby.
relocate stuff like that all day long.
I think so. Yeah, if we already found it, it's like if that's the case, then.
Where have I heard this before?
Well, we just drove a little further down the road we camped off of. Stole a couple bucks off the road and then found one of our buddies we met this morning. He's elk hunting right now, but he's a local and he's kind of giving us some pointers on where to go. But we also have these 2 deer over here. It's tickling our fancy, so we think we're gonna try to shoot one now, and then there's 2 other bucks that went up over this ridge behind us, so head up over there later, and supposedly there are some bigger bucks up there, so punch a tag, then go big buck hunting. Yee yee. Yeah, I see him now.
He's the one on the left. It's pretty cool looking. Real small forks, they're not deep. I don't know, that 3-point's pretty wide though.
That's a mature deer on the left.
I know. I agree.
That 3-point's cool though.
But yeah, that's a mature deer right there. Here comes his truck. It's so hard to shoot on the first day.
Is it? After never doing it?
He said he saw 6x7.
Yeah, but we're never gonna see that deer.
Dude, you don't know.
Until you kill this one, and then I'm gonna kill that one.
Exactly.
No, I don't, dude. You don't know. We don't. This is one of those things where this guy can see this deer and come kill it, and then we
I
don't
don't
get
think you have to change your game plan because the day you are talking about like if you see a good deer you want to shoot,
Yeah,
you're gonna
and-
shoot it.
Well, I'd probably shoot that one then. What do you think, Paul? Would you shoot him?
Dude,
Do you want to shoot
when
him?
I first saw him, I was like interested to shoot him for sure. But now this old man's got me thinking. But,
I know.
But
It's like
that's
there's
the
a lot
thing.
of
We
deer
always
haven't
think.
gone
We
east.
always think too much.
We've gone really nowhere. You know, we've done a little bit of driving.
Yeah, look at him. He's looking back at that truck now. We got multiple trucks coming down here.
You see another one behind that one?
Yeah. It might be one of those things where we shoot this buck because we have him. Does that make sense?
Maybe so. It's possible.
It's pretty.
Pretty cool. I don't know, though. I might pass with being this early on because Paul will still shoot.
Did you shoot him on the last day?
Huh?
Did you shoot him on the last day?
Yeah, but it's day one and we
It's
haven't
day
even
one.
looked like this is like our first areas.
That's the problem.
Yeah.
We passed one of these.
He already walked off. They're leaving.
There's your answer. I mean, my thing is just like, I don't know how much bigger we're gonna find, and if there is, that old man said there is, but who knows?
We'll be content with those ones.
Yeah, exactly. So like, do you think?
Walk down at least.
I don't know. So we were on those 2 bucks. We were just getting the game plan together. We've lost them in the brush, so we're trying to pick them back up. But they were about 500 yards away, so we need to get a little bit closer. About 300 yards would be nice. So once we pick them back up, we're going to try to move up here a little ways and then cut over and get in front of them and see if we can't get a shot off.
Got a bunch of small bucks, and we just came around the corner. Thought we came up to a monster buck, but it's just a little bull. He's got 6 or 7 cows with him.
No shooters.
No shooters, but we got a little hunting buddy who was shared some intel with us. He's got an elk tag right now. We might let him know where we located him. Walmart shades on. Right, so we cruised a really big part of the unit today. This morning we saw a lot of deer. I think we probably saw 40 different deer or so. And right now we're back at a spot where we saw a deer that we would happily shoot. 4-point, small forks, but plenty big. We got some intel that there's a bigger deer over here, and it's 3 o'clock, so we're just going to post up and glass this whole burn / bedding area we've identified and hope they come out. A lot of snow on the ground. Feet are really cold moving around out there, but we're gonna hope to make it happen.
Does that anything?
What, man? It's 3 o'clock and it's finally hit 13 degrees, so it's pretty warm out right now. Just enjoying these summertime temps.
Yeah, he's probably gonna catch a couple rays later.
Show that bullet off real quick. It's good. It's real nice.
Real nice. We stayed in that spot that we last updated y'all at until dark. Ended up just picking up those 8 does, never saw the bucks, so headed back to camp, got some firewood. It's only 4 degrees tonight. So we're about to get camp set up, maybe, stream some Monday Night Football, and then pass out, wake up, go back to that spot in the morning, see if we can't get on a couple bucks tomorrow, get these tags punched. There's another hunter right there. We passed him earlier. Looks like he had a nice little deer in the back of his truck. So the bucks are moving. Hopefully we can get on them in the morning.
We will. We'll be getting them on in the morning.